In order to gain primary target audience interest, Golden Spike will work to place Sergeant Star live via large screen monitor and satellite connection on appropriate hosted television shows to interact with the hosts and answer questions phoned, emailed, texted, or tweeted in by potential recruits. Sergeant Star will also be scheduled for live telephone interviews with drive time radio show hosts. Questions will be taken in the same manner as for television appearances. All pseudo-live interviews will be facilitated by a female recruiter in order to provide both male and female representation. Radio spots that feature Sergeant Star inviting potential recruits to visit him at GoArmy.com or friend him on Facebook or MySpace will be placed on stations chosen to reach the appropriate target demographics. Including reference to Facebook and MySpace invitations in the radio spots simplifies the initial contact for users of these social networking tools, as they already have their own pages and won't have to remember another website address in order to access Sergeant Star. Sergeant Star's maneuvers won't stop with broadcasting. He will also infiltrate state fairs, sports tournaments, college events, high school career days, and other appropriate venues live via monitor and satellite connection to answer questions and show potential recruits the many benefits of becoming Army Strong. Potential recruits will leave with a memento of their visit that includes the GoArmy.com website address. Individuals ready for another step can have a virtual photo taken with Sergeant Star and sent to them via email. Golden Spike's approach for secondary target audiences uses more traditional media. Primetime and news slot television ads will introduce Sergeant Star to this audience in order to provide a frame of reference and bring a sense of reality to the virtual assistant. Outdoor boards will complement Sergeant Star's television ad campaign. Large, friendly headshot-style images, paired with short, easily grasped taglines such as "See me for the 411" and the website address, will be user-friendly and easily committed to memory. Daily viewings of the boards during workweek commutes will help to humanize Sergeant Star and reinforce the GoArmy.com website. Finally, the strategies and tactics designed for secondary audiences offer the potential benefit of providing additional support to efforts aimed at primary audiences, as well as generating awareness of the Army among the general public.